U.S. stocks rose on Tuesday with the Dow and S&P notching their fourth straight session of gains on optimism that progress was being made toward a deal to ease the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. The Dow finished up about 1% and the S&P 500 closed up more than 1%, while the Nasdaq ended almost 2% higher. Still, there were signs of market nervousness as the widely tracked U.S. 2-year and 10-year Treasury yield curve inverted for the first time since September of 2019, a key metric that has served as a warning sign for investors that a recession could be on the horizon. Brian Vendig, president of MJP Wealth Advisors, said the next couple of weeks will offer clues for where the stock market might head.
Two main elements that we should look for is number one, how does the interest rates change on the yield curve relative to what's going on with geopolitical events and what's going on with economic data that's going to be released regarding the growth of the global economy. And I think that's going to tee up investors' perspectives right ahead of us going into corporate earnings in the month of April, which is going to be a great validation to see can companies continue to expand while we're concerned about changes in interest rates and inflation and policies around the world.
The S&P's real estate sector led the stock market gainers on Tuesday, rising nearly 3% on the session. U.S. home builder stocks also rose as home prices climbed further. And shares of Uber Technologies jumped about 7% on a report the ride-hailing giant was close to a deal with a San Francisco taxi outfit, less than a week after striking a similar deal in New York City.